What's up guys, I'm Ritesh and this is Gennaro P10 wireless microphone, and we are going to review this product in today's video and also see the noise test of this wireless microphone, audio quality from this wireless microphone. But before that, let's check out what's inside the box. So guys, this is Gennaro P10 wireless microphone, and on the box on the left side it is written wireless microphone. On the right side it is written Gennaro, the branding, and on the back side it is has mentioned some of the specs, like it has type C charging, 50 meter of transmission distance, ANC noise reduction. And let's check out what's inside the box. So box is good. Here you get the charging case with the microphone. Let's keep this aside and let's check out what's more inside the box. So inside the box you get one more box for the accessories, and in the accessories you get wind muff, type A to type C charging cable, and let's see what's inside now, and one more wind muff. So there are two wind muff and a warranty card, a user manual. You can read the instructions over here. They are all clearly mentioned over in this guide. So these are the things you get inside the box. So guys, here a charging case with microphones. So two microphone, one receiver. So guys, talking about the look and feel of this product, the charging box and the microphone, they both look premium. Now let's connect the charging cable. So as you can see here, there are blue lights blinking. There are 4 dots or 4 LED lights, which means a single LED light indicates 25% of the charge. That means if the 4 lights are constantly on, this means you have 100% charge. If the 3 lights are on, that means it's 75% charge. 2 lights 50%, and if the single light is on, it will have 25% charge. So now on a single charge, combining both the microphones with the case, this can last up to 20 hours, and this is a plus point for any microphone. You can record directly without connecting to the case for at least 5 to 6 hours on a single charge. So you can keep the microphone like this and it will start charging. So these are not connected for now, that's why they are blinking blue. When this will be connected, this will blink green or the constant blue. Let's connect this to a mobile phone. So guys, now let's connect this receiver to the phone. So this is a type C port and you can connect this directly, and 2 lights will blink. Now when the light blinks, and then it will be automatically paired. Now you can see green light is constantly on. So this green light means these microphones has been paired with the receiver. Now let's check out the features of this microphone. So this microphone has 2 buttons. Both of them have two buttons, which is the first one is for power on off, and second one is for noise cancellation. Like when you don't want to use this case, you can directly individually use these microphones and the receiver at your convenience. And now if you want to turn this off, if you want to turn off the single microphone, you can just press and hold this button, that is power button. You can just press and hold for certain seconds and this will go off. Like this one is off now and this will be working only, and you can manually turn this on also. So now this is not connected to any phone. The receiver is not connected to any phone, that's why they are blinking blue. So guys, this is by default on the noise cancellation mode. You can turn this noise cancellation mode off with this yellow button. You can just press this yellow button for a few seconds, and now this will record the normal voice. I will show the noise test or the audio test later on this video. Stay tuned. And when you want to go back to the noise cancellation mode, you can just press and hold this again, and you are on the noise cancellation mode. You can use these buttons to increase or decrease the voice level. So when you press this button short, this will increase the voice, and when you press this button, this will decrease the voice. Now I have disconnected this microphone, turn this off. Let's check this microphone. So you can see the waveform over here. That means this microphone is working now. Now let's mute this microphone. When you press this button, power button, 3 times, this microphone will be muted. So 1 2 3, and now this microphone is muted, and any audio cannot be listened. That is, no waveform is being made. And one more thing, guys, you can use this port to directly monitor the sound quality or the audio quality coming from these microphones. You can directly use this to listen to them. So guys, let me first remove this microphone so that this video can be fully shoot on this new microphone. Let me disconnect this. So now I am shooting this video directly from my mobile's internal microphone, and let's connect this Green Arrow P10. Now let's connect this receiver to the phone. Let's use this. So guys, now Green Arrow P10 is connected to my phone, and you can see the green light over here, and now I can use this. This is the sample audio from the Green Arrow P10 wireless microphone without noise cancellation. Now let's turn on the noise cancellation of this microphone and check the sample quality. So the noise cancellation is on, and this is the sample audio from the Green Arrow P10 wireless microphone with noise cancellation on. Now let's check if there is any noise or the audio quality improvement with the use of wind muff in this microphone. You just have to place this wind muff on the top of the microphone, and that's it. You are done with the wind muff. Now this is the audio quality from Green Arrow P10 wireless microphone with noise cancellation on and wind muff. This is the audio quality from Green Arrow P10 wireless microphone without noise cancellation and with wind muff. Guys, do let me know in the comment section about the audio quality of this microphone. Is it better with the wind muff or without the wind muff, or which sounds better? Do let me know in the comment section. So guys, after listening to the audio sample from this Green Arrow P10 wireless microphone, I have seen that this microphone really records a good audio quality and also does a good level of noise cancellation. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next one.